In its worst stages, cervical cancer presents with symptoms such as bleeding and unusual discharge from the woman's private part. The woman also experiences pelvic pain as well as pain during sexual intercourse. Unfortunately, these symptoms are almost always brushed off, and when a woman who shows signs of them finally receives treatment, her chances of dying are high.
Every year, 3,577 women are diagnosed with cervical cancer, and 2,464 die from the disease, which is in fact most preventable kind of cancer worldwide.
Now, to help reduce such mortality amongst women in the future, the Ministry of Health has been given a donation of a vaccine against the human papilloma virus, which causes cervical cancer.
MSD's contribution to this program is a donation of 460,000 doses of our quadrivalent HPV vaccine, Gardasil, at no cost to the government of Uganda. The doses are enough to vaccinate 140,000 eligible girls in the 12 districts over 2 years.
The districts include Busia, Mityana, Bududa, Oyam, Isingiro, Kamwenge, Katakwi, Kayunga, Rukungiri, Nebi, Ntungamu, and Lira.
To vaccinate all girls in primary 4, irrespective of their age. In addition to primary 4 girls, all 10-year-old girls who are not in school will also be vaccinated.
The 10-year-olds who do not go to school will receive the vaccine from health centers and district hospitals. The first administration is due Thursday in Oyam district.
There are 3 doses which will prevent cancer of cervix. So you need 3 doses, and those will protect any young lady.
In 2014, all girls in the country from 9 to 13 years old will be vaccinated against the virus with help from Gavi Alliance freely. On the open market, the vaccine goes for 300,000 shillings, which is approximately $130. Gardasil protects against 2 of the high-risk HPV types, 16 and 18, which cause 70% of all cervical cancers, and 2 low-risk types, 6 and 11, which cause 90% of genital warts. Already, the vaccine has been piloted in the country in Ibanda and Nakasongola districts.
We are going to explain why we are vaccinating, and that we are trying to prevent HPV, which eventually leads to cancer of cervix and other cancers, actually, like cancer of the vulva, and it also causes cancer of the penis in the men.
A company, Vax, has however over the years been critiquing Gardasil, saying it is ineffective and instead infecting the young boys and girls upon administration. However, the only 2 vaccines against HPV, Gardasil by Merck and Cervarix by GlaxoSmithKline, have been approved by US's Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Even US's CDC considers them safe, and they are on the pre-qualification list of the World Health Organization. What should be noted, however, is that the more sexual partners you have, the more chances of you being exposed to multiple strains of the human papilloma virus. And also, the vaccines only protect one from some HPV strains to which someone has not yet been exposed. Florence Nalimba, NTV.